What's going on? This is your boy Byron Rutley, and I want to introduce to you and to present to you my very first vlog. I don't know what the show gonna be called yet, so comment down below. Let me know what you think it should be called. Now, this is what it's gonna be about. It's gonna be the first take on the behind the scenes information about what goes on to producing and directing shows, live events, music videos, and so forth. And hopefully this is my first and last vlog on my cell phone, because I just got my new Canon M100. This is what I'll be doing my show on from now on. I just got it, so we're getting ready to unbox it for the very first time, and next time you'll see me, it'll be from this camera. All right, let's get into it. Log on.
Right here.
Yeah. All right, so I got my M100 from ProCam. This is a nice seal that they put on here from ProCam saying, thank you for shopping at ProCam Photo and Video. We appreciate your business. Any returned opened merchandise will be subject to a 15% restocking fee. So from here on out, as soon as I cut this seal, if I decide I want to take it back, it'll automatically be a 15% restocking fee. So here it goes. I'm opening the seal. I can't open the seal. All right, so I'm opening the seal. Bam. All right, so I got it open. This is my new Canon M100. I got a C100 and an M100 now. So this is what it looks like. As soon as I open it up, it looks like what I have here. I'm pretty sure this is the camera body. A little bubble wrap here. All right. And here it go. Now this camera is so small, you guys. This thing is so small I can fit it in my pocket. Look at that. Very nice, very easy. Look how comfortable it is. Oh, I got my wallet in my pocket, but I'm pretty sure I can fit this thing in my pocket, man. Look at this. Next time I go to Disney World, I can fit this thing in my pocket on the ride with me. That's how small it is. Look at that. Beautiful image. I'm gonna show you the image of what it looks like. Okay, and then next thing we have here is a battery charger, and then I would assume next thing is the lens. Yeah. This is a nice little lens here. I played with it at ProCam before I bought it. They had some little models on display. This is a 15 to 45 millimeter lens with image stabilization. They have image stabilizer on here, man. Look at this. For a webcam, this is crazy. Canon is doing their thing. And then I have a small battery. This almost looks like, this is about half the size of the T3i battery. I just sold my Canon T3i. I used it a few times for family functions. This is gonna serve the same purpose. However, this camera is so small, I don't have to, you know what I mean? Like, it's a lot smaller. It's maybe half the size of the Canon T3i, T5i, and those small line of Rebel cameras from Canon. I like this screen because you can view anything holding it forward like this. Watch this. If I want to flip it on myself, which I'm going to do a lot from this vlog, all I have to do is flip the screen straight up, just like that, and I can look at myself and talk to myself and be able to view exactly what I'm shooting. The image stabilizer that's built in the lens is so dope. Anytime I'm walking and the camera is shaking, it's automatically gonna stabilize and make it look smooth. The great thing I also like about this camera is it also have autofocus, so I'll be able to follow my face anytime I'm shooting. I just went over the information about what I have here in my hands with my new Canon EOS M100. The only thing I didn't show in the box was neck strap. You know, pretty cool. This camera is so smooth, man. What I'm gonna do from like as soon as I start using this camera. If I have this camera on my neck, I'ma just tuck this mug in just like that. I'ma tuck it in like my necklace. You know what I'm saying?
I just tuck mine in.
I'm gonna tuck my camera in. If I need to get on a ride at Cedar Point or next time we go to Disney World, I'm gonna tuck my camera in. You feel me? It's either going in my pocket or it's either going in my shirt. I like this camera, man. So next time you see me, it should be footage from this camera, the Canon EOS M100. You heard it first from your boy, Byron Rutley. Yeah.
Right here.